Do you want to solve your problem with spam on Gmail? Well, today is your day because I will show you how to do it. Most of my emails are in Romanian, but just read them as they are in English, okay? I have two ways for you how you can clean your emails so they will not spam you in the future. If you want to block a specific email address or more specific email addresses, you can do that so it will not get clogged up like mine is. So first and the easiest way how to do it is mark every email that you want to block. As an example, I don't want to receive emails from OLX, and I don't want from Google, and I don't want emails from, I don't know, Google Maps and YouTube creators and CryptoTab team. Was that? I don't know. So once you selected all the emails, you will have here a button which says report as spam. If I will press on it and it says report spam or unsubscribe, I can either press on report as spam and the next time they will send me an email, they will get into my spam section and not in my actual inbox. Or if I will press on unsubscribe, then I will be automatically unsubscribe from those emails and I shouldn't receive abusively an email from them ever again. Let's try to do it. I want to do it with this email from CryptoTab. I will select it, I will press on report as spam and I will press on unsubscribe. And here I found another email from Wish. I will select it, press again on report as spam, and with this one I will press on report as spam. And the next time, as I told you, when they will try to send me an email, I will receive them in this spam section, not in my actual inbox. Now this is the first and the easiest way how to get rid of spam on your Gmail mail, but the second one is more efficient in my opinion. You can block the sender email address. So in my situation, let's try with Wish. Press on that mail and here you'll find at the top their mail, the mail that sent you an email. Just select that and right click and press on copy, and now press on this gear icon to go into the settings of Gmail and then press on see all settings. Here you can find filters and blocked addresses. I have none blocked and I have no filters created. Let's press on create a new filter. Here I will paste that email that I copied from Wish, and if you want to block multiple email addresses at once, and you place how do you say it? Oh man.
Comma.
Okay, so this thing is a comma. I didn't know what's the name of it. Then you can type another email address. Let's type a random one which doesn't exist, example@yahoo.com, and let's type that comma again, and let's go example2@gmail.com and type as many email addresses as you want. After you're done with typing all the emails that are spamming you, you can press on create filter here, then you can select delete it. What it means, once an email from those person will reach you, they will be automatically deleted, so you don't have to see them, select them and delete them manually. So mark this delete box, then press on create filter, and now if we have a look, we can see that filter has been created. We can delete it if we want, or we can press on edit and put that, how it is?
Comma.
And type another one, and you got me. So this is the most efficient way how to get rid of spam, how to solve the spam problem on Gmail mail. I hope you have a great day from wherever you're watching right now.